Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education Channel. Let's continue the lesson, the 100 dresses, part 1. In our previous session, we came to know that when Peggy and Maddie entered the classroom, there were drawings all over the room and they were of dazzling colors and brilliant and lavish designs. And they thought that they must be the drawings for the contest. After that, Miss Mason announced that Jack Beggles had won for the boys, and his design for an outboard motor was on exhibition in room number 12 along with the sketches by the other boys. Now let's continue the lesson. As for the girls, she said, although just one or two sketches were submitted by most, one girl and room 13 should be proud of her. This one girl actually drew 100 designs, all different and all beautiful. Miss Mason said, as for the girls, she said, although just one or two sketches were submitted by most of the girls, they submitted one or two sketches. But one girl from room number 13 should be proud of her. This one girl actually drew 100 designs, all different and all beautiful. And all those designs, they are different and they are all beautiful. In the opinion of the judges, any one of the drawings is worthy of winning the prize. Okay. In the opinion of judges, any one of the drawings is worthy of winning the prize, winning the contest. I am very happy to say that Wanda Petronsky is the winner of the girls' medal. Then she announced the name of the student or girl who had drawn all those sketches. Okay. She announced that Wanda Petronsky is the winner of girls' medal. Unfortunately, Wanda has been absent from school for some days and is not here to receive the applause that is due to her. But the unfortunate thing was that Wanda has been absent from school for some days, and that's why she could not receive the applause that is due to her. Let us hope she will be back tomorrow, and Miss Mason hoped that Wanda would be back the next day. Now, class, you may file around the room quietly and look at the exquisite drawings. And teacher said to the children, you make line and quietly look at her exquisite drawings. Teacher suggested them to make line and to look the drawings which were drawn by the Wanda Petronsky. The children burst into applause, and even the boys were glad to have a chance to stamp on the floor, put their fingers in their mouths and whistle, though they were not interested in dresses. Okay. The children burst into applause. Okay. Burst into applause means suddenly and spontaneously clapped hands. Okay. In order to express their happiness, they burst into applause. They clapped their hands suddenly and spontaneously. Spontaneously means continuously. And even the boys were glad to have chance to stamp on the floor, put their fingers in their mouths and whistle. And boys got chance to stamp on the floor. Stamp means bring down one's foot heavily on the ground or on something on the ground. Okay. They brought down their feet on the ground, heavily on the ground, and put their fingers in their mouths and whistled. They put their fingers in the mouth and they whistled. Though they were not interested in dresses, they were not interested in dresses. They thought it was chance for them to stamp on the floor and to whistle. Look back, whispered Maddie. There is that blue one she told us about. Isn't it beautiful? Then Maddie said to Peggy. Look back, whispered me, told in a low voice. There is that blue one she told us about. See that? That is that blue dress. She told us about that dress that day. See that? Isn't it beautiful? Like that. She asked her to Peggy. Yes, said Peggy. And there is that green one. See that? There is green one. That green dress. That was a jungle green dress with red sash. And girls made fun of Wanda by saying that she would look like a Christmas tree in that dress. See that green dress is there. Boy, and I thought I could draw. And Peggy said, I thought I could draw. I thought I am good at drawing, but this girl has drawn better than me. Peggy accepted that one. With this, the first part of this lesson completed. In the next unit also, you are going to see the continued part of this lesson, that is the 100 dresses part 2. Let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching it.